Hi, it's Sierra with WTI, and I'm going to tell you about the lipstick that I wear the most. It is Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Campfire. It goes on so silky and creamy, feels like you're putting on a satin lipstick, but then it dries down completely matte and practically bulletproof. It's also so transfer resistant, whether I'm eating or drinking, it'll stay on, but it's not so stuck on that it's impossible to get off. It doesn't feel heavy, like I know I'm wearing lipstick. I can completely forget about it until I catch a glimpse of myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh, she's cute. I also love the applicator because it's not boxy or too straight where I'm trying to line my lips perfectly. Instead, it's got this curve that kind of perfectly curves on my lips and it makes it so easy to apply. It's super versatile and I love the way it looks and feels. And that's why wherever I go, I'm bringing my Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade of Campfire. And that's my point of view.